let's say you're new in the industry, and then you're getting like a postcard or a one-page flyer that sums you up in paper and also online. But in paper, for instance, it could be a surgeon that it has a whole database of people that they had to reject for surgery because they're too big. They need to lose weight. Let's say you help them lose weight. So you can say, hey, can we tap into this database of all of these patients that you turned down? And they have them on file, like, and you don't ask them for the information. You say, can we do some sort of special offer to them? Let's get your weight down in an easy way, blah, 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 this way. And then possibly you can go in for your surgical procedure. So that happens with knee surgery, hip surgery, back surgery, all the time, those kinds of things. So you have to just have a good, smart mentor who's going to help you with these thoughts, put it together, get it tight. And don't just jump to go sign a big lease and commit. Like, try to get in front of someone who's already serving a population of people who need you. If it's a doctor, like a neurologist, let's say, or some dermatologist, a doctor that doesn't have cash pay business at all, they're really not going to want to mix cash pay with the reimbursement business. So don't get complicated. Just know that you're bringing enough value by bringing a really good benefit, a good story to their client base, and start out keeping it clean.